Oh, good morning, Granite Hills. I was just reading a copy of The Reflection. It's always good to open your mind and do some reading. Today we'd like to talk about energy and saving your life. Over here we have two objects, a rather large ball that we could use as demonstration purposes to roll across the table. But what we're going to do is we're going to roll this smaller object across the table. And objects that are in motion possess a character called energy, specifically kinetic energy. And what we're going to take a look at is we're going to take a look at the stopping distance. In other words, if we're traveling along, this ball is moving at one speed, what will be the stopping distance if we were to double the speed? That is, how will the stopping distance compare if you're moving at 1 unit of speed compared to 2 units of speed? So we can roll the ball along the table, and it moves at constant velocity. That is, it moves the same distance for each time interval. Then we'll apply the brakes to the marble and we'll measure the stopping distance. So how are we going to apply the brakes to the marble? We're going to take this handy-dandy super deluxe piece of paper and we're going to turn it into the stopping cone of physics. So this stopping cone of physics allows the marble to enter the cone, and then the increased frictional force between the cone and the table will bring the marble to a stop. For example, and if we then double the speed of the marble, we want to know how much farther will it take the cone and the marble to come to a stop. And after some careful testing, when we rolled the marble at 1 unit of speed, the cone and the marble slid 1 unit of distance. And then when we rolled the marble twice as fast, we found that the distance that the cone and the marble traveled was